Crowne Plaza, Dublin, Blanchardstown, we recently worked with Stack to upgrade the AV in their Heather Suite and adjoining foyer. Multiple Epson and Panasonic projectors were installed in the Heather Suite, giving us a reliable setup for high-impact presentations and events. Stack also upgraded our audio system with wireless microphones and Bluetooth connectivity in both rooms, allowing us to share audio seamlessly when the spaces are combined or used separately. A new AV rack was fitted to keep everything neat and accessible for our team, and the system continues to feed audio to the lobby area. We now have 4 HDMI and USB-C points throughout the space, so guests can easily connect their own devices. Everything's controlled through Extron's user-friendly touch panels, managing projectors, screens, volume input selection, and room combined settings. We are absolutely delighted with the result. It's easy to use, it's modern, and perfectly supports our busy schedule of events.